Communication is power. Do you ever wonder what our difference on other animals, other species? And I think the main difference we have to other species is communication. Communication is a very powerful tool that help us to learn drastically, to absorb knowledge that any other species are not capable of. Because if you think about if human doesn't develop the ability to communicate, your own knowledge is only based on your experience and nothing else. And also, if other humans discover breakthrough or findings, it will not be passed on to another human. So, communication is everything that makes us different with other species. And I think a lot of people are not aware of it. That's why they keep ignoring the fact that they should learn the very important aspect of human to get ahead in life. That is also the main reason I communicate mainly on English, even though I'm not good at grammar, even though I'm buckle a lot, even though I do a lot of thinking before a speech, and not because I am able to speak fluently. So as of now, I'm still struggling. But I think that's why drives me the most is I know the importance of communication. And I know English is a very popular and universal way on how I can communicate with other people. Because I don't want to limit the reach of these videos and the reach of this mindset to just few individuals who can understand my native language. I hope this video of giving you the importance of communication helps you to give more attention on how you can improve your communication style, your communication with others, and also to be confident in communicating with others. As always, stay awake, wakers, and welcome to Waking Era.